Hello, welcome dear student. We have a question over here. So the question is, we need to calculate the equivalent resistance between the point A and B in this case. Okay, so let's solve this question now. So in this question, we have a cube. So first of all, let's make a, so this is a cube we have. Okay, this is the one face and this is the second face of the cube. Okay, and now let's complete this figure. And we have this branch, we have this branch, and then we have this branch as well, and we need to calculate equivalent resistance between this and this point is A, this point is B, this point is C, this point is D, this is F, this is G, this is E, and this is H. Okay, so now our target is to calculate the equivalent resistance between the point A and between the point B, correct? So let's solve this question now. On each branch, I am supposing that each branch has a resistance of R, correct? So I am taking the resistance of each branch to be the same, and it is equal to R. So this is R, this is R as well, this is R, this is R, okay, and this is also R we have, and this branch is also having the resistance R, same for these two as well. So now we have completed the entire circuit, and now I'll draw the points A and B. Here we have point A, here we have point B, and in between them we have a resistance R, correct, this one. And now the A point is connected to D and A is connected to H, A is connected to D and A is connected to H. So okay, so that means A is connected to D and H, and B is connected to, if we talk about B, so B is connected to C and B is connected to E. Okay, so B is connected to C and E, C and E. Okay, so now if we see, A and D are connected by this resistor, so I am making this resistor now, and A and H are also connected by this resistor, so I am making now this resistor R and R. Same for B, B is connected to C by this, and B is connected to E by this, so that means two more resistors we have now. Okay, this is R, this is R. Now let's see between D and C or E. If we see the points D, which the point D we have, so D is here, so here we have point D, so D is connected to C or E, so D is connected to C by this resistor. So okay, we have a resistor in this branch as well, and H and E are also connected. So where is H? H is here, E is here, so they are also connected by the resistor R. Okay, now let's move forward, and we can see that further we have the point D. Where is point D we have? So point D is present here itself, here is point D. D is connected to C, that we have represented, okay, here, and D is connected to what? D is connected to A, that's already we have represented, but D is connected to G as well. Okay, D is connected to G, so D is connected to G. Now H, in the same way, H is connected to what? So H is connected to G as well, so that means H is also connected to G. So these are two resistors. Similarly, if we look at C, so C is connected to B, that we have already represented. C is connected to D, we have already represented, but C is also connected to F, so we should make this now. Okay, and in the same way, E and F are also connected. We can see that E and F are also connected by resistance R, so that means we also have a resistance R here. And what is this point? This is E point. Oh sorry, this is actually we have the point is F, this is R, the point is F. And if we see, G and F are also connected. Where is point G? So G is here, and F is here, and they are connected by resistance R. Okay, so this is the equivalent circuit we have. So if we solve this, so this is R by 2, 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 this is R by 2. That means this is point A, this is point B, connected by resistance R, and this is what, this is R by 2, and this is also R by 2, and this is R by 2 as well. Okay, this is R by 2, this is R by 2, and then we have this is R. Okay, so if we solve this, then these three are in series, so that means R by 2 plus R by 2 plus R. Okay, so this becomes 2R. So this is 2R, and this is what, this is R by 2, and this is R by 2, and this is R by 2, and this is what, this is R. This is point A, this is point B, and if we see that these two are in parallel, so 2R into R by 2 by 2R plus R by 2. So R and R, 2 and 2 gets cancelled out, and we got 2R by 5. Okay, so that means this is point A and B having resistance R. This is point R by 2, this is R by 2, and what is this? This is 2R by 5. Now if we see that this 2R by 5, R by 2, R by 2 are in series, so that means their equivalent is R dash is R by 2 plus 2R by 5, okay, plus R by 2 again. So this is R plus 2R by 5, that is 7R by 5. This is R dash. Now if we see that this is point A and B, and this is R, and in parallel we have 2R by 5, correct? Sorry, 7R by 5. So the resultant will be 7R by 5 into R by 7R by 5 plus R. So this is equal to 7R square by 5 multiplied by 12R by 5. So 5 and 5 gets cancelled out, R and R gets cancelled out. So the R between AB 7R by 12, and this is our answer. Hope this answered your question. Thank you very much. So होप कि आपको क्वेश्चन काफ़ी अच्छा लगा हो. सो थैंक यू वेरी